Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem On Aging by Maya Angelou. So these are the important points. This poem was published in the collection and Still I Rise in 1978 when poet was 50 years old. Through this poem, poet wants to break the stereotypes about old people that they are lonely, lazy, pitiable and helpless. She urges people to treat her with dignity and respect rather than being sympathetic to her because of her old age. So, this is the text of the poem. When you see me sitting quietly, like a sack left on the shelf, don't think I need you chattering. I am listening to myself. Hold stop, don't pity me. Hold stop, use sympathy. Understanding if you got it, otherwise, I'll do without it. When my bones are stiff and aching and my feet won't climb the stair, so, when the poem opens, speaker advises her young readers that if they see the speaker sitting quietly like an abandoned sack on the shelf, then they should not assume that the speaker needs their company to talk to her and that she is feeling alone. Then speaker says that if she is sitting alone, it means that she is just spending time with her own thoughts, and it doesn't mean that she is feeling lonely and isolated, and she doesn't want young people to sympathize with her just because she is old, and she wants understanding and respect from them and nothing else. Next she says that when her bones are stiff and aching and she finds it difficult to climb the stairs because of her old age, then she won't expect young people to bring rocking chair to her. I will only ask one favor, don't bring me no rocking chair. When you see me walking, stumbling, don't study and get it wrong. Cause tired don't mean lazy, and every goodbye aren't gone. I'm the same person I was back then, a little less hair, a little less chin, a lot less lungs, and much less wind. But aren't I lucky I can still breathe in. So in these lines, she says that if she faces difficulty in walking because of her old age, she gets tired soon, then she doesn't want younger people to assume that she's lazy. And she says that if she says goodbye to them, it doesn't mean that she is dying. She is the same person as she was in her youth, in her young age, but she now only has less hair, and she is little thin, and has weak lungs, but she still feels lucky to be alive, and she doesn't feel upset about her old age. And here the poem ends.